always thankful for our team, but especially this year, we're thankful our team was able to find solutions to keep everyone employed and safe. And a huge thanks to all of our flight attendants for adapting so well to all the changes and uncertainties during these trying times. Very, very much appreciated.
I'm thankful for the caring and compassion that our team shows every day when they come in here.
I'm really thankful for the whole safety department that we have to adapt with work from home. Any phone call we get about the COVID, we respond directly and the work keep going even though we have to work remotely.
Team's definitely done a great job. My guys in the back shop have been doing a great job putting together HEPA mod parts. Philly's been doing an excellent job of getting them installed in other bases as well and putting us in the best position to be as safe and efficient as we can be moving out of it.
We've really weathered the storm well, doing a lot of modifications of the aircraft, getting maintenance caught up or getting some projects done that long-term that we wanted to get done. So I appreciate everybody's hard work there, and our reliability has been awesome during this time with getting our aircraft. I'm just thankful for everybody's hard work, their dedication to us, and that we're able to continue to keep everyone employed in the maintenance department.
Really thankful for the Phoenix recruiting and HR team. With the launch of Workday, it was a time for our team to really step up and go in and learn the system. Workday timing was perfect because we were able to give all of our attention to it.
I'm most thankful for our team taking care of not only each other, but our customers and our leaders, and making sure that everyone is doing their best.
In this environment, I'm just really thankful that the flight ops side things, that we didn't have to furlough anybody. That's what I'm thankful for, is the people that I work with every day, that they're here.
I am thankful for an amazing team to work with who, in addition to looking out for each other's safety and our company's aircraft safety, also continually turn in day after day extremely strong performance.
This Thanksgiving season, I am thankful for my team's understanding and flexibility. Throughout all of the changes and uncertainty we have endured, their dedication has never wavered. I am grateful for their unending positivity and humility, and I'm excited to begin 2021 with such a great team surrounding me.